name is Tom Martin, and I'm a co-owner of Elite Supply and Services, LLC, with my wife, Susan Martin. And we have a cleaning and restoration company. We have created some synergy between cleaning and restoration for the reason of, it all starts with protecting the housekeepers. Out there on the front line, one of the tools that we like to use is something called the Yoo-Hoo Air. It provides us with real-time alerts right to our phones so we can address any type of potential negative liabilities with indoor air quality that could be going on inside of the facility, protecting housekeepers and all the occupants. The second thing we like to do is we like to arm our housekeepers with the electrostatic guns, educate and train them on the proper PPM that goes into the chute so they can decontaminate the areas that they're working in and deactivate any type of viruses, including COVID ID and any other type of mold or bacteria. The advanced testing that we do beyond that, where the light restoration and heavy restoration comes in, is with the assessment work from the mold screening kits. We also offer do-it-yourself kits. We know it's tough times out there for people that want to do their own work. They get reports come back from the lab. We do have certified professional remediation contractors and employees that we have right on staff. So these are some of the things that we're doing here in Myrtle Beach to try to create a healthier, safer, and cleaner environment. Once again, we're Elite Supply and Services. Check us out at www.elitesupply.org. Thank you and have a great day.